Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video kung saan lalaroin ko yung Mirror Mirror. Wala akong ideya sa game na to, pero sa tingin ko yung kalaban natin dito lalabas sa mirror na yan, sa salamin. May alam akong movie or sa Disney ata, Disney Princess, na gumagamit ng mirror. Sino yun? Sa Shrek? Yung mirror na may muka or ewan, basta Disney Princess siya. Ayun, si Snow White ba? Tama ba? Kung si Snow White, ewan ko lang. So, ano pa hinihintay natin? So, it's the time to play this game! May truck na umabante. Akala ko may umutot. Tayo pala. Phew! I thought the boxes would never end. But finally, I did it. Unpacked the whole house. My own house. Okay. It's small but cozy. And the price was right. My agent called it the bargain of the year. Which is good because it took me forever to save up for a down payment. Okay. Okay, nabulol pa ako dun sa bandang part na yun. So, we got TV, a solo sofa, I guess. Solo siya. Remote. Oh. Alam, may tao. I'm starving. After all that manual labor. Good thing I ordered a large pizza for my move-in meal. Okay, so, may bintana tayo dito. And sa tingin ko, nakatira tayo sa middle of nowhere, I guess. So, may tulip. Ano to? Di ko alam kung ano flower to. Sofa. L to sit. Oh, stand up. Oh, pwede tayo po. Okay. So may ano to tayo? May remote. Ano ito? Di ko alam. Oh, may pizza. Wala ka bang... Uy! Dito yung Domino's. Ano yan? Jenga or chess pizza. I don't know kung Domino's, yung mga game na gano'n. Oh, no. Di muna tayo kakain. Mag-house tour muna tayo. I'm that kind of person na mag-house tour. So, dito we got washing machine, laundry room, trash can, fridge, and oven. This is the kitchen. Coffee machine, toaster, oven. And wala ba tayong ibang pwedeng puntaan? Oh, wow. So hey lady. Sando So, may ketchup. Oh, ketchup. Lotion and soap. And nakatira nga tayo sa middle of nowhere. Shower. And parang weird. Like, dito yung mo din. Pag nagbukas ang pinto, matay ka dyan, nakasit ka. Hi! Well, ito yung bedroom. Master's bedroom. Am I right? Bro, ang dilim, what the heck? The closet. So, a clock, lay down, and we can interact the light switch. My telephone, old telephone, or your PC setup. Bro, what? 90s PC? I mean monitor. The heck? Uy, mouse unlock. The heck? So, kainin natin pizza natin, I guess. And sa tingin ko, nawawala ka ata na sa lugar ka. Uy, kapitbahay ba yun? Tayo lumabas? Bawal. So, upo. Kain yung pizza. Oh. May pepperoni. Hindi yung pepperoni. Vegetarian. Stand up, then what's the next? What the? Who could that be? I don't know anyone around here yet. Stalker? Is that a stalker? Okay, di natin siya makikita. A nervous looking man is standing outside. There are beads of sweat on his forehead. Bro, ba't parang adik? Like, sabog. Bumubomba. Okay, next. Hey, nice to meet ya. I'm Charles. I live across the street. Bro, saan? Saang street? Mukhang wala nga eh. Like, nakatira tayo sa middle of nowhere eh. Oh, hi, I'm Emily. I just moved in today. Sorry about the mess. I wasn't expecting visitors so soon. Oh, right. Yeah, I saw you eating dinner through the window, and I thought I'd say hi. Bro, ang creepy mo naman, look. Like, may tiyataguan ka ba? Or susuod ka, like may mga Pideya dyan, like bypass operation. Like, parang adik ka. His eyes avoid mine nervously. It's like he's looking for something behind me. Bro, ba't ka magtatanong ng ganyan tas babae ako? May balak ka, no? So, I'm gonna call 911 and then natin tong conversation. You live here alone? I groan internally. Great, is my new neighbor a creep? Sure, obviously, bro. Yes, but the place myself, in fact. Oh, did the realtor tell you about the previous owner? Previous owner? I don't remember that. Before I can respond, Charles flinches and turns pale. Bro, simula pala nung pagkakita mo sa kanya, pale na siya, like namumutla. The heck? No, never mind. Just sorry, I forgot something at home. Bro, what the? Oh! What the hell was all about? What the hell was that all about? He was watching me through the window? Bro, ang creepy. Whatever. I just wanted to relax on the couch tonight. Not worry about an icky neighbor. ICK? I don't know. I'll just watch some TV and buy some curtains first thing tomorrow. Okay, may tao doon sa likod natin. Or may nakikita daw yung lalaking nervous. Like, bro, ang weird niya. Like, hindi siya tumakbo. Like, bro, ano yung Titan? Sa Attack on Titan? So, across the street, yan ba yung bahay mo? Well, saan? Across the street? Sa kabilang continent? What do you mean cross the street? Turn off the radio. Yan, di natin kailangan. Like, bro, it's so annoying. Anong kanta yun? So, anong gagawin natin dito? Sa couch daw, lay down, okay. Okay, sarap mo. Gulat ako. Automatic pagkabukas mo ng TV, patay lahat ng ilaw, what the heck? Well, lumalago talaga kaalaman ng tao. Galing. Oh, come on. Who would call me at this hour? Okay. Wala tayo dun sa may telephone. Dito ba yung manda? Dito yun, sa may PC. Oh, yeah, I hear. Sabi ko na eh. Answer the phone. Bro, ba't parang Ba't parang skinless yan? What? You see me? Bro, ang creepy. So yun yung lalaking kanina nakausap natin. Ew! Is that the sweaty guy Charles calling me now? Forget it. I'll deal with him tomorrow. What the heck? Charles, what the hell? I guess that wasn't him on the phone. Is this whole neighbor filled with weirdos? We're weird. Yeah, I'm weird. But I'm not proud of it. Utak, ba't ka nauntog dyan? Nagawa mo dyan, Charles? Huh? The heck? So, I'm so tired. Just want to go to sleep. Gonna brush my teeth and wash my face first through. Though, through ang putik. The heck? Okay. Wash your freaking face, I guess. Oh, you look so pretty. Ganda. Face card never decline. Okay. Wash. So we got a comb. Sleeping pills or gamot, I don't know. And I don't know kung ano yan, tic-tac, I don't mean tic-tac, or mouth spray to get the toothbrush. Ay. Oh, ito na yun. Okay, ang weird talaga ng mga tao, no? So yun, towel natin. Back to your home, toothbrush. Space and X. Okay, uwi ka na daw. Yan. Oh! Heck, bro, minumalis siya Huh? What was that? Am I saying things? Bro, isa ka na ring weirdo. Accept that fact. Just gotta wash my face and I can finally go to bed. Oh shit, sino yun? Minumalis siya tayo. Tumaligod ka, pumbira. So, use the sink. Bro, nagpa-fog. The heck? Saan yung galing? Ang init naman ng tubig mo, malamig. The heck, ba't nagkaroon ng fog? Wipe out the window. So, nandiyan yung matik. O, diba? Siya nagbipunas. Hindi. Hi, kung sino ka man. Okay, I must be exhausted. Okay, I must be exhausted. I'm seeing things that aren't there. Screw it, this weird night. Bedtime. Okay, goods. Hindi naman. Eh, matutulog na tayo. Siguro, pagod lang ngayon and... not for today. Not today. Oh, hindi natin open yan. Not today, sir. Sino ka ba namumulestya sa amin? Huh? Huh? What the heck? San Telmo! Dito sa Pilipinas. Ang urban legend sising ganyan, tas umilaw. San Telmo, pero yun parang araw daw o apoy. Pero ito, Light Telmo o Bob Telmo. Kasi, hindi siya sun. It's not a sun. Okay. Can we turn on the lights? Oh, we can't. The heck, susundan natin to. For what purpose naman? Okay, sarado natin. Baka Bro, baliw. Dito, ikaw ba ang dahilan? Ba't naging weird yung mga tao dito, ha? You quit? Oh, taragis. Space to stand up. What the heck? Oh, that was a strange nightmare. Wait, what is that knocking sound? Dahil kakala ko sa front door. Okay, must be loose hinge. I guess I'll call a handyman in the morning. While I'm here, I need to use the bathroom. Okay, di ba pwede tumakbo ka na lang? Like, bro, that was a strange nightmare. For real, for real. Takbo na tayo. Oh, we can't. Hindi tayo pwede umupo. Just go back to bed, bro. Wash your face, ang aga pa. Okay, we can't lay down, bro. Okay, so, ano tayo dito? Open your... use the bathroom. Oh! What the heck? Oh my! No, no! Wake up, Emily! This is another dream!
Finally!
What the heck? Finally what? Kailangan mo! Freak off!
You're a pretty girl. You're cute.
Uy! Tantalan mo ako!
You're a pretty girl.
Wow, minimalisa tayo! Ano gagawin mo? Okay, you got me, bro. You got me. Nah, I just ran, bro. Oh, gusto mo ba ako? What? What? Where am I? The heck? Saan ka? Huh? What the heck is this? Huh? The heck? Oh, nakakulong tayo sa salamin. Well, ano nga to? Yung sasabi nila, urban legends ba yun? Diba ko? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Please, get out of me here. Uy, di ko naririnig ang putik. What the heck? Ah! Bro, enough na sa jump scares, bro. Wala bang main soul?
Fight.
Parang si Pennywise siya. Yung tawa niya, I don't know, parang Pennywise, like, and creep at the same time. Mirror, mirror, created. Oh, yun na yun! Like, bro, wala man lang kwento or what? Like, saan nanggaling yung kupal na yun? Like, saan nanggaling yun? Pambira. I'm sorry. The heck? Pambira. So yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to and kita tayo sa next video, mag-upload pa ng next video. Maraming salamat and I hope na appreciate nyo itong video and kita tayo sa next video. Bye bye.